Welcome to Dacast. If you need to deliver professional video to audiences in China and worldwide, Dacast provides a reliable and scalable streaming solution. Let's get started. First, create your free trial account. Enter your company details, contact information, and website. Once your account is ready, you'll access your dashboard where you can monitor bandwidth, storage, and analytics. To start a live stream, click Create Live Stream. Choose your encoding option. Most users select RTMP because it works easily with OBS. Select the region closest to your streaming location for optimal performance. Then choose the right bitrate for your video quality. Name your stream and open encoder setup. Copy the stream key and server URL, paste them into OBS, and click Start Streaming. Once connected, the status turns green. Then return to Dacast and click Preview to confirm your live feed. You can embed the player on your website, share a direct link, or integrate it into your application. Dacast also includes built-in monetization, analytics, and advanced security features. With global CDN delivery and optimized streaming inside mainland China, Dacast helps you reach your audience anywhere, reliably and securely. Thank you for watching.